What's going on, guys? It's Ollie RL, and this is my bike check. Yeah. So, starting from the top, we've got ODI grips, long neck, stay strongs with ODI bar rings. Then coming to the bars, we've got chrome WeThePeople bars, 25 or 20 something wide, and we've then got another ODI with ODI bar end. We have on the top cap, I think that is, I've no idea. We've got a Salt top cap with a Salt headset. On the forks, they're just stock WeThePeoples. We've got GT pegs with Salt spokes, Salt rims, and Salt tyres. Coming down to the frame, we've got a bright lime orange WeThePeople arcade. And then we've got the stock seat, Salt pedals, Salt sprocket with Salt, I don't know what they are, cranks, yeah, cranks. Chain, Salt, obviously, Salt, back wheel as well, Salt in, oh fucking hell, I don't know what this shit's called, don't buy it. Anyway, the cassette, that's it, no, not cassette, no, I don't know. And we've got another GT peg on the back, nice and loud. But yeah, so that's been my bike check, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Then yeah, if you didn't, then yeah, I don't really care. Thanks for watching.